Understanding long-form content, a guide for language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating aspect of digital media, long-form content. Whether you're browsing the internet, watching videos, or reading articles, understanding this concept is key to navigating the world of online information. Let's explore what long-form content means and why it matters in today's digital landscape. Long-form content refers to any piece of media that is extensive in length and depth. This can include articles, videos, podcasts, and even social media posts. Unlike short-form content, which is brief and to the point, long-form content offers a detailed exploration of a topic. It's like comparing a quick snack to a full-course meal. Both have their place, but they serve different purposes. Long-form content is not just about length. It's about quality and depth. Here are some key characteristics. 1. Extensive length. Typically, long-form content takes a considerable amount of time to consume. For written content, this might mean several thousand words. For videos, it could be over 20 minutes. 2. Detailed exploration. This type of content dives deep into its subject, providing comprehensive information and varied perspectives. 3. Narrative and structure. Long-form content often follows a well-structured narrative, making it engaging and easy to follow despite its length. 4. In-depth research. It usually involves thorough research and sometimes includes interviews, studies, and expert opinions. Why is long-form content important, especially for language learners? Here are a few reasons. Enhanced understanding. It offers a thorough exploration of topics, helping you gain a deeper understanding. Language skills development. For those learning English, engaging with long-form content can greatly improve reading and listening skills. Critical thinking. It often presents complex ideas and arguments, encouraging critical thinking and analysis. Consuming long-form content can be daunting, but here are some tips to make it easier. Take your time, don't rush. Give yourself time to absorb the information. Take notes. Jotting down key points can help you retain information. Discuss with others. Sharing and discussing content with others can enhance understanding. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what long-form content is and why it's valuable, especially for those learning English. Remember, engaging with such content is not just about consuming information. It's about enriching your language skills and broadening your understanding of complex topics. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.